Thank you for visiting Kramer Law Office's website. Let's talk about what happens if you have the misfortune of being in a motor vehicle collision due to another driver's negligence. If you're in an accident caused by a negligent driver, you have a claim, a lawsuit against that driver for negligence. The statute of limitations in Vermont for a claim of this type is 3 years. So first and foremost, the most important thing is to get your own vehicle repaired, get your vehicle replaced if it's totaled, and most importantly, attend to your medical situation and your injuries. The lawsuit and the legalities can be attended to later. You want to get your vehicle back on the road and you want to be in a position where you're healthy and safe again. Most automobile insurance policies include coverage for repairs to your vehicle, assuming you have collision coverage. And if your vehicle is totaled, you're entitled to be compensated for the fair market value of your vehicle. If your vehicle is off the road and is determined to be totaled, and you're without a vehicle, many auto policies also include rental car coverage so that your insurance company would pay the cost of a rental car while you're looking for a replacement vehicle. Most automobile policies also have what we call a MedPay provision. The MedPay provision usually runs up to $5,000 or $10,000 and would pay for medical bills that you incurred as a result of the accident. This is very useful coverage because it may take time to develop a case against the other driver, and the other driver's insurance company would balk at paying your medical bills in the meantime. You can also rely on your own health insurance in the event that you need medical care after the collision. Assuming the other driver is responsible for the collision, you're entitled to be reimbursed for all of your medical bills, whether you've paid them or your insurance company has paid them. You're entitled to be compensated for any lost income if you lose time from work. Heaven forbid, if you have a permanent injury, you're also entitled to be compensated for that. And you're also entitled to be compensated for your pain and suffering. There's also a claim that is known as loss of full enjoyment of life if a permanent injury impairs your enjoyment of life after the collision. It's very important that you seek legal counsel after having had a motor vehicle collision, because in most instances the insurance companies will not pay the full value of your claim unless you have adequate legal counsel. We would be happy to help you if you would like to call us to discuss your case in greater detail.